Hello, it's Miss Julie from Miss Julie's Virtual Preschool and Crafts, and I am here to share another winter story with you today. I hope you enjoy it. This book I chose is called Snowbirds. Do you know the book name of the birds on the front cover? Yes, those are called cardinals. All right. Ooh, looks like we're in the forest. The first bird they're talking about is called the blue jay. Look in the tree, a blue jay feeder, carved with care from red fine cedar, hung with love set facing east, call to all a peanut feast. Look, here they come, a blue jay pair. They hop and stop, they test the air. They take their gifts, but hide them away. They need them more on a winter's day. Carolina wren. Little wrens roam in search of a home. Tea kettle, car or box. Tea kettle, cans or blocks. Tea kettle, fern or nest. Tea kettle, which one is best? You see that little tiny bird? Looking for a home for the winter. Common redpoll. Zip, zap, flip, flop, acrobatic with crimson cap. Peck, inspect, knock, collect. A tiny bird, a great intellect. Do you see his red on the top of his head? It's like a little cap. Snow bunting. Chick, 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 come quick, come quick. A fury through the air, twinkling lights in magical flight, they land again soon. Look at all these birds gather. They have to head south for the winter. Ooh, a snow goose. Snowflakes whirling, snowflakes swirling, streaks of white through and through the night. And then a good night home, slower and lower. They fly and fly for as long as they can until it starts to get dark. Then they land. Black rosy finch. Hop, stop, hop, stop. So much snow. Cheek peck, come on, let's go. Beep, cheep, we want more. Till back they bounce through the barn house door. Look at those birds. They're searching for food. Ooh, this one's in the water. It's called the Atlantic Puffin. Starts with a splash, bubble rings, gone in a flash. Beating wings. Sea parrot steers left and right, lower, lower, slower, dimming light. Wow. The puffin hunts, one missed, snatch and catch, and with a flopping fish. Look at that. He dips into the ocean for his food. Atlantic puffin. This one's called the ivory gull. Out of the blue comes dinner for two. In such harsh conditions, it's what they must do. You see the white bird? That's who they're talking about, the ivory gull. He's friends with the polar bear. Look at that, they live in the same climate. Bohemian waxwing. First then there were two, then a few, then four, then more, and more, and more, and more. Wow. I don't think you can count that high. Look at all of them gathering. Dark clouds winging, haunting, singing. The flock has come for a hawk. The frightened raptor sits frozen still. Will they ever leave? Yes, they will. Look at them, they're all gathered. Great gray owl. Plunging from her post, a hooked-billed forest ghost. Did the hare escape? Almost. Oh, do you see that rabbit down there? That's what the owl was going for, the rabbit. Ruffled goose. Beneath the snow lies a winter house, a tunneled hole for a sleeping goose. It dreams in trembling aspen flowers, breakfast in a few short hours. For now, sleep tight, little goose, keep warm, you're safe in your white-walled winter dorm. Look at that. Did you know that a bird burrows in the winter snow, just like some other animals, and kind of hibernates? Hoot, 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 hoot. The snowy owl. Above the crescent moon, down below, in the air a haunting tune. Don't come near anytime soon. Black-capped chickadee, shaking, quaking in a tree. Stoic, heroic chickadee, fluffing, puffing, out of sight, heating, beating this winter night. You can barely even see that bird right there. Yeah, there's the chickadee. Golden-crowned kinglet. 5 little kinglets, warriors with wings, each frightened, for tonight means time to flight. They find the fort, their feathered court, and shiver, quiver, leading support. Look at that. They're lined up on a branch together. You can barely see them between the snow. American tree sparrow. Sparrows sing, cool air rings, and tiny bell sounds. Melting snow, time to go back to breeding grounds. You probably see these near your home. Woodpecker, look at that. It's called the Bounty Woodpecker. Peck, peck, peck. Where are the insects? Let me check. Drum, drum, drum. I call for a mate, but will she come? Drill, drill, drill. I'm building a home for eggs to fill. Knock, knock, knock. It's here at last, spring o'clock. How about that? The woodpecker can make different sounds. Ooh, here's the one from the front cover, the Northern Cardinal. What cheer, cheer, cheer do cardinals say? Springtime is coming, it's weeks away. Somewhere nearby flies a bumblebee queen. Under snowfalls, a world of green. Bushes are budding, bursting below. Strong earthy scent lies beneath all that snow. Butterflies waltz in the wind, let's cheer. Signs all around us show springtime is near. That's exciting. So be on the lookout for cardinals and bumblebees. Maybe spring will arrive soon. Back to the blue jay. Look in the tree, a blue jay nest. Sticks were gathered, twigs compressed. See how she shaped them like a cup? Home sweet home. Look up. Look in the sky, a second day. Bearing gifts, she's come to stay. Mating and waiting until it's just 2, but spring will bring more life anew. I hope you enjoyed the story today about snowbirds. You learned different types of birds, and maybe you can look out and see which ones are near you. If you'd like to add this onto your collection, you can click the link below. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos of crafts and stories I made just for you. Thank you.